Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you a new method how to measure bearing for your engines. And here we see two different coordinate systems with these two props. This prop here has a x-axis of its coordinate system pointing forward, and this one have its y-axis pointing forward. The tricky thing is that the z-axis of those two props have to point in the same way. So again I'm using my holographic display to display these coordinate systems like this entity ID, and it displays its coordinate system using prop position. So enough of that, let's see the tricky code. So here we have roll timings. With rollback we choose which coordinate system, x or y, is pointing forward. In this case here it's our x, so we have to put a 1 here. Then we get the shaft and the base and their angles. If the x is pointing forward, then there is no need to make an offset for shaft angles like the y here with minus 90 degrees. So this one here is the white part of the debugger list. Here, let me just put some display here. Screen, only one value, bearing. And oh my, oh well, that's better. So we should connect the input of this to the bearing. And if we start to tilt this prop here, as you can see, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 40, 70, 80 plus 190, 80, 60, and so on. As the z-axis of these props reaches the zero bearing, negative and positive. So here we make a local angles, shaft relative to the base to local shaft angles, and we get the roll, because the roll is the most awesome part. So this thing can also work in any directions, as you can see. -6. Here it doesn't matter what angle you put this thing relative to the world, because these angles here of this block are relative to this coordinate system here. So again, that code will lead to no GPS timings in your engines. Here let's just see the other thing. So here you can see our coordinate systems are not located in the center of this prop. This doesn't matter too. Crankshaft is here, base is here. Still measuring very good. So for our y-axis to be our rotation axis, we need to set here 0 and here 1. Replace it, then wire bearing from its bearing. And here again our two Z coordinate systems are in place. So it doesn't matter that I rotate the crankshaft or I tilt the engine. Minus 45. And positive 45 too. If you tilt your engine, this thing should also work. Again in any direction and with no need for GPS to get the bearing. Just local angles and so on. So I hope you guys enjoyed my new method of timing your engines, and see you next time.